exactly what I just said.
That's not good. Did you guys already call out? This is fentanyl because we just don't. There's other precautions that we take.
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay.
No way I can get a phone call or not?
Yeah,
my kid's mom or something?
Yeah, just give us a few, okay?
No doubt.
We're going to check your shoes and socks,
Just,
so just sit with your feet sticking out.
Yep.
Oh, there we go. Right here. I'm like, why she got a warm 7-Up in there?
Yeah.
Right?
Weird.
So, watch
Don't
this.
even tell me.
Yep.
Oh.
Look at that. Sucks to be her.
You know what? That's not a warm 7-Up.
It's not a warm 7-Up.
31. Probably Coke. Something. Gotta look a little bit more into it. Brian found it.
I know you guys don't want to hear my Papa Bear speech, but just based on the class that I went to, that scared the out of me. Like if I was crawling through cars, I'd be wearing a mask because you get some of that fentanyl up in your schnoz.
Yeah.
I mean, we can Narcan you and probably save you, but
All right.
I felt obligated to say it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know, when we're almost done?
Point.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, yeah, I waited till you were done.
Oh, okay.
I didn't want to stop progress.
No, you're 100%. You're 100% right. This is what's with the candle, friend.
Okay, I know. Sweet.
Yep.